What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about something crazy. How AI is causing the downfall of influencers as we know them. I know it sounds wild, but stick with me here. Just a few years ago in 2019, influencer marketing was booming. Over half of young people said they wanted to become influencers. Fast forward to today in 2024, and things are looking different. AI influencers are on the rise, and it's getting harder than ever for real human influencers to make it big. Let me give you an example. There's this AI model named Aitana Lopez, who was created by a modeling agency in Spain. She looks incredibly realistic, with beautiful facial features and makeup and hair. But here's the crazy part. She's not even a real person. Aitana has over 250,000 followers on Instagram, and in all her photos, she looks totally perfect and identical. If you showed someone a picture of Aitana without telling them she's an AI, I bet they wouldn't even be able to tell the difference. It's that convincing. And it's a sign of where things are headed. With new AI art generators that have gotten really good in just the past couple years, it's now possible to create entire virtual influencers from scratch. All you need is a few photos or a short video clip of a real person, and boom, you can generate a virtual doppelganger. Platforms like Hagen make it super easy to do this. You don't even need a big team of 3D artists and animators like you used to. Now, anyone can create a customized digital influencer.
This is a completely fake video of me. The AI used 30 seconds of me talking to a webcam and 30 seconds of my voice.
There were only a handful of top influencers with millions of followers. But today, there are hundreds of thousands of people trying to make it as nano or micro influencers. The competition is insane, and it's only getting worse with AI virtual influencers joining the mix. They have an unfair advantage. They'll always look perfect, with no bad angles or awkward moments. As a viewer, our time is limited. There's only so much content we can consume. And let's be honest, a crazy, hot, perfectly styled, sexy AI influencer with pretty compelling compared to us average humans. So what does this mean for the future of real human influencers? I hate to say it, but it's not looking great. The entry barrier to becoming an influencer used to be much higher. You needed production skills and charisma to build a following. But now, the playing field is wide open. You no longer have to be rich, talented, or conventionally attractive to make it big. Anyone can use AI to create a virtual version of themselves that looks like a supermodel. And we all know people crave novelty. In a sea of millions of influencers, we get bored and move on quickly. There will be less incentive to follow real humans when AI influencers provide endless eye candy. Don't get me wrong. I don't think all humans will lose their followings. Celebrities and top influencers have an advantage with their pre-existing fame and loyal fans. But for up-and-coming influencers trying to break through, it's going to get extremely difficult with so much AI competition. Unless you offer something truly unique, it may not be worth investing years trying to build a following. The rise of AI is disrupting so many industries already. Programming, design, even music and art can now be generated by AI. It's inevitable that influencing will be impacted too. So what can we do about it? That's a tough question. On one hand, AI raises ethical concerns when it comes to misinformation and privacy. But the tech is advancing rapidly, and it may be impossible to put the genie back in the bottle. If you're set on becoming an influencer, my advice would be to focus on niches where your humanity and personality can shine through. Share vulnerable stories and be radically authentic. Or focus on creative talents that AI can't replicate, like comedy or avant-garde art. The role of influencers may evolve from beauty and lifestyle to more human-centered connection and advocacy. But for many, the AI takeover spells the end of dreams of internet fame and fortune. It's a strange new world we're entering where humanity and technology collide. The influencer bubble may be bursting. But if we embrace AI as a tool rather than a threat, perhaps we can discover new and innovative ways to express ourselves. There are still so many unknowns. But one thing seems clear. The glory days of influencer hype and excess are coming to an end. For better or worse, the artificial revolution is here. The future belongs to AI. What do you think? Is it game over for human influencers? Or will we find a way to coexist with our new virtual friends? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe for more videos every week.